But when I was farm, we go to your allotment and we plant carrots, potatoes, carrots, vegetables, and sweet rhubarb, sweet corn, sweet William peas, radishes.
Gosh, that's brilliant. So what sort of things do you do down there?
Well, watering, dig the soil, watering. When it's farm, we'll mow the grass, perhaps.
And how do you feel when you do those things?
I feel great, it's nice. But I'm glad we got an allotment of our own because we can grow what vegetables we like, can't we?
Yes, definitely.
Well, but when I do go down there, it's lovely. I dig a trench for the potatoes and carrots, and we grow a lot of things in the allotment.
So what do you do with the food that you've grown at the allotment?
Well, we take it here and cook it. We eat it for dinner.
And what sort of things do you make?
Shepherd's. Well, today we're making turd. Well, we make shepherd's. Well, today we make turd in the hole, shepherd's pie, and all sorts.
So how long have you been going?
Long time, quite a while.
And how many times a week do you go?
On a Friday.
And do you do some of the gardening?
In the summer, we paint the benches and do things.
So what sort of things have you learned at the allotment?
How to plant potatoes.
And how do you plant potatoes?
With the eyes upwards. With the eyes going up, with the eyes showing, going upwards.
Fabulous.
Do it downwards, it won't shoot at all, it won't grow at all, will it?
No.
And I like mowing the grass and putting the seeds in.
Do you enjoy going to the allotment? And do you do digging? Yeah. And growing vegetables? Yeah. Growing them, yeah? You do that, don't you? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Do you help everybody there? Yeah? Okie dokie. So is there something that you can sign to say that you like it? Yeah? Brilliant. Enjoy about the allotment?
Me and Lynn, yeah, we live down the farm. Yeah, plants to grow.
You like to get the plants to grow?
Yeah. No more water. They're thirsty.
Oh, because the plants are thirsty.
Yeah.
So do you like watering the plants?
Yeah.
And you've done some big work as well, haven't you,
Yeah,
David?
big work.
Yeah.
Or potatoes into the ground. Dig it over.
Digging over. I've seen pictures of you digging over. Okay, Rob, what else would you like to tell me about the allotment?
The allotment, we're hard on it.
You're working hard on it, aren't you?
Yeah. No directions, website. Allotment. Keep going for every Friday, Thursday. Afternoon break. None of disabilities. No directions. The skills. Volunteering. Allotment in a proper place. Yeah, work with Asher.
Do you help with growing things at the proper place as well?
Yeah, I do, yeah. yeah, a lot of vegetables in a proper place. I eat leeks, potatoes, all sort, leeks, carrots, or broccoli, or cabbages, veg rations. Not as good as disabilities, not all support, services, volunteers.